Digital chat station, renowned for insider leak, has recently unveiled the design drawing of the highly anticipated Realme GT Neo 6 SE. While retaining the horizontal matrix camera design from its predecessor, subtle adjustments have been made, expanding the coverage area of the module for enhanced attraction. The sleek and minimalist design showcased in the sketch leaves enthusiasts eager to witness potential adjustment in the final product. Realme enthusiasts are buzzing with anticipation as they await further details regarding the device release. In terms of performance, Realme has officially disclosed that the GT Neo 6 SE will boost the formidable Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3 processor. Based on the same architecture as the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, this processor stands out as the pinnacle of performance within the 7 series. Adding to its allure, the device will feature a stunning 1.5K screen with 8T LTPO spot, promising immersive visual and efficient power consumption. The incorporation of LTPO technology empowers OLED screens to achieve a minimum 1 Hz refresh rate, effectively reducing power consumptions and optimizing current usage. Moreover, users can accept enduring usage with the impressive 5500 mAh battery, complemented by the convenience of 100-volt charge. While the exact release date remains undisclosed, the unveiling of the Realme GT Neo 6 SE heralds an exciting chapter in the realm of smartphone innovation.